Automatic snow foam spray, the key to effective motorbike cleaning. In addition to using water and brushes, the Go&Go conveyor belt motorbike washing machine integrates advanced automatic snow foam spray technology. Snow foam not only ensures a deep clean but also softens stubborn dirt before the washing process begins. Once the foam covers the entire bike, the washing becomes easier and more effective, protecting the vehicle's surface from scratches and maintaining a long-lasting glossy finish. Snow foam offers a professional washing experience, giving a sense of luxury and sophistication that attracts more customers to your business. If you're interested in our automatic motorbike washing system and would like detailed consultation, feel free to leave a comment or contact Go&Go for support. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.